Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the audio volume between left and right channels on the iPhone 13 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on audio or visual. Next, go down and go to the balance section. By default, it is set to 0 at the center. And if you need to have a louder sound on the right channel, you want to drag the slider bar to the right hand side. So you can go all the way up to 1, which is 100% on the right hand side, or 100% on the left hand side. So we adjust the volume balance as required. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.